Hi everyone, my name is Diana. I came from the beautiful country of the Philippines. My hobbies are watercolor painting and I love to sing as well. I created this channel to share my journey with you as I try to improve my skills in watercolor. Hopefully you guys like my videos and be inspired as well to learn watercolor. For today, I'd like to welcome you to my new series called Alphabet Art. We will start with letter A for avocado. Avocado is one of my favorite fruit. It's very healthy as it contains beneficial fats that can keep blood sugar stable and it's rich in vitamins too. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.